Every child has some hidden talents in themselves. How to bring out? We can't just by teaching in the class science, maths, English, social studies, we can't bring. So we need to have these other activities which now we have started in our school just to find out the hidden talents in it.
All that we did was fun, play, and whenever we had the time we studied. But I realized that today's children are extremely stressed out as to their expectations from the parents, the academics, and they have tuition classes back to back. And I realized that somewhere they are losing out on their childhood.
बराबर है, अभी के ज़माने में खाली पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है। बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है, खाली पढ़ाई करके कुछ नहीं हो रहा है।
There's nobody to tell them what kind of opportunities exist beyond school. So we wanted to actually show them what are the other avenues that are available for us which they should leverage, and these are all small examples to show them that how they should try to explore their interest, find out what they are good at and build on their strengths rather than rote learning and just doing stuff just because everybody else is doing that. So we started off with a theatre activity. I have been associated with theatre for some time, and I realized that theatre gives you a whole lot of opportunities to explore the human skills in terms of teamwork, discipline, coordination.
I felt that if we go and we start the activity from the schools also, then from the school days only, if kids are knowing that we have done theatre or we have experienced theatre, they are going to be a sensitive audiences and a sensitive citizen.
Fine arts and performing arts are the best ways to actually bring out the best in a child.
We wanted them to understand how creativity actually helps you in developing your intelligence.
So maybe through dance they even know how to be the way they actually need to be.
ये सोचे तो खाली पढ़ाई के बाद में जो टाइम बचता है उसमें स्कूल ने एक्टिविटीज़ लेना चाहिए, ड्रामा हो, अभी जैसा किया वर्कशॉप लिया, ऐसा कुछ डांस का ये होना चाहिए। उससे बच्चा लोग का मेंटली प्रिपेयर हो जाएंगे अपने को क्या करना है, और उससे ध्यान देते देते वो लोग का पढ़ाई भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, पढ़ाई भी अच्छे से कर लगते हैं। अपनी मनपसंद जो चीज़ होती है वो बच्चे लोगों को अगर मिल जाए तो खुशी से कर लेते हैं।
We had a self-defense course for the bigger children, especially feel given the background from where these kids come. It is important for every woman to own the responsibility for her safety, and that's why we thought that we will do self-defense. We were keen that we also do it for the boys, because self-defense is not about defending yourself alone, it's also about protecting others, and that's why we did it for the boys alone, and the kids thoroughly enjoyed the two.
See, for self-defense you don't require hours and hours of training. Minimum knowledge, okay, and application, practical application for the students is going to help. Spread knowledge, because nothing is impossible to a willing mind. If you have a willing mind to learn and to teach, monetary factor does not come in between.
And possibly these are the children who are the first generation English, going to English medium. My alumni group thought that we should do something for the school, more like an extracurricular activities for them, which would complement the academics that they have right now. Because now that we are grown up and we are all over the world, we realize that the life out is not about studies alone, it's not about academics alone. There is a whole lot of other life skills that you need later in life. And we thought that why not start giving a flavor of that to the children when they are there in the school itself. I think we also have a responsibility somewhere to give back to education in some way.
वो हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा हो गया, एक क्या प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है ना, ऐसा हम लोग का बच्चों लोग का हो गया। सब बच्चों को मालूम पड़ा अपने में क्या खूबी है, तो खुद को भी मालूम पड़ा।
I'm not knowing anything before, but afterwards I learned many things in this activity, workshop, drama and theatre. I like this always. My mom is telling you can't do this thing. but मैंने मेरी मम्मी को दिखाया that I will do these things now.
So there are three things which we had in mind when we conceived this project. It was an idea, it was an opportunity, and also a platform. An idea for the alumni group all over to say what we can do for the school. It was also an opportunity for volunteers who say that I want to do something for the society, but it should be fun things. And we also wanted to create a platform for people who say that we want to get involved with children, we want to get involved with education. So these are basically the ideas that we had in mind when we thought about Deja Vu as a project.